Hello students, today we are going to start our new lesson, that is magnetic effect of electric current. In last lesson we have covered the topic what is meant by electric current. So today we are going to see and different effects of electric current. In last lesson we have studied one effect, that is heating effect of electric current. Today we are studying magnetic effect of electric current. What is meant by magnetic effect? We have already studied magnets. Here I have drawn a magnet which we can say as bar magnet because its shape is like a bar. We know that every magnet has two poles, one is north pole and another one is south pole. In case of magnet, it creates its field around itself. We know that this magnet is effective up to certain limits. It cannot be attract an object which is very far away from it. We know that if the magnet is here and one iron object is here made up of iron, then in that case it will attract it. But if I place the same iron object at a distance far from the object, then in that case that iron cannot be get attracted towards the magnet. What does it means? It means that the field or the effect of this magnet is up to certain limit. I think you understood that this magnet can make its effect or attract an object up to a limit, and that portion under which it can attract any object towards itself is known as magnetic field. We can say it as a magnetic field. So in case of this magnet, it will create some magnetic field around itself. You already studied these things. The magnetic field is like this. Magnet can attract an object in this field only. If the object is outside of that field, then in that case magnet cannot attract that object towards itself. So I can say that this is the field of the magnet under which it is effective. All these things we have studied already about the magnet. But what is this lesson try to tell you that this magnetic effect or this magnetic field can be created by electric current also. As the lesson name suggests that magnetic effect of electric current means this type of magnetic field, this type of magnetic effect can also be created by using electric current. So how this is possible? Because we know that this kind of thing is possible with magnet only, but the same thing we can achieve by using electric current also. How it is going to be possible, that is we have to see in this lesson. So in this lesson we are going to study the what is meant by magnetic effect of electric current, then how the magnetic field can be created by using a electric conductor, then how magnetic field lines will be situated in that case. So now I am starting with the lesson. This is the introductory part of the lesson. So if I have a conductor like this, and this conductor I have connected to the battery. This is the positive terminal of the battery and this one is the negative terminal. If current passes through this wire in this way, then in that case this conductor is a current carrying conductor. We can say that this conductor is a current carrying conductor because current is flowing in the circuit. In such case, if this conductor is a current carrying conductor, then in that case we can say that the conductor will also be act like a magnet. Means the magnetic field will get created around this conductor also. Okay, I hope you have understood what I am trying to say. I am trying to tell you that as a magnet can create a magnetic field, in the same way our conductor can also create magnetic field, but when current is carrying through that conductor. Means a current carrying conductor can also be act like a magnet and it can create the same magnetic field as that of a bar magnet. I hope you have understood what I am trying to tell you. Okay, so we can say that when a current carrying conductor is there, it can also be act like a magnet and can create a magnetic field around it in some same way as that of bar magnet. So the next topic is magnetic field lines. What is meant by magnetic field lines? As we have seen in case of magnet, magnetic field lines always starts from the north pole and travel in this way, then enters from the south pole. Means we can say that outside of the magnetic field lines starting from north pole and enter towards south pole, and inside of the magnet its direction is from south to north. So direction of magnetic field lines in case of a magnet, inside the magnet it is from south to north, and outside the magnet it is from north to south. In same way we will going to get it in case of conductor also. Magnetic field lines are same as that of the, as we have seen in the bar magnet, and here also magnetic field lines will be like this. There will be two terminals will act as a north pole and south pole, and here also magnetic field lines will start from north pole and enters from the south pole. Inside of the conductor it will start from south and move towards the north. So this is an introductory video in which we have studied that magnetic effect of electric current means every current carrying conductor can create the magnetic effect, means it can produce magnetic field in the same way as that of magnet, and it can also be create magnetic field around the conductor as the magnet. I hope you have understood the concept which we are going to study in this lesson. Thank you very much.